The Thoburn Excellence in Teaching Award was created and endowed by one of the area's premier educators and philanthropists, the late Dr. Tina Thoburn and her husband Thomas. Nominations for this award are made by Saint Vincent College alumni 5 to 7 years after graduation. Alumni are invited to name one member of the faculty who made a significant contribution through their teaching and personal interactions. This year, over 20 different faculty members received nominations. Several had multiple nominations. This provides a clear indication of the long-lasting impact that our faculty have on our students. This year's prestigious Thoburn Award recognizes the talents and contributions of Dr. Jennifer Koehl, Associate Professor of Biology. I asked Dr. Koehl to come forward for the presentation. Dr. Koehl earned a bachelor's degree in biology with a minor in English literature from Ligonier College, a master's of science in biology from Clarion University, and her doctoral degree from Illinois State University. We've been blessed to have Dr. Koehl as a St. Vincent faculty member since 2002, and she received the Quentin Shout Faculty Award in 2005. Dr. Koehl's area of research is in microbiology. She and her research students, known as the Koehl staff, work to better understand the bacteria that we encounter every day. Dr. Koehl is a leader among our faculty, currently serving on the Rank and Tenure Committee, and she served as the representative to the biology department on the committee that worked with the design and construction of the Dupre Pavilion. Last year, Dr. Koehl's grant the National Science Foundation for need-based scholarships to support students in the biological sciences from rural and underserved counties in Pennsylvania was funded for 5 years. Today, we recognize Dr. Koehl for her profound impact on students, both in the classroom and the laboratory, and through her advising and mentoring. I'd like to share some of the quotes from the nominations. In nominating Dr. Koehl, one student wrote, "She is genuine and helps every student to realize their dreams." Another described Dr. Koehl as a significant influence in my life, who was instrumental in exposing me to the fantastic world of microbiology. Dr. Koehl made learning an active process. Finally, another former student wrote, "Dr. Koehl is the type of professor who will help you with anything, providing sound advice, not just in regards to academics, but for all of life." Dr. Koehl, for your outstanding teaching and mentoring to the students of Saint Vincent College, it is my pleasure to present to you the 2013 Thoburn Teaching Excellence Award.
So Dr. Spatanka asked me to make my remarks brief, so I'm going to take about 45 minutes, if that's okay with everyone. I am honored and humbled by this award. Recently, I had a friend ask me, why do I stay at Saint Vincent College? My automatic answer was because of the students and some of my colleagues. Maybe not all of them, but some of them definitely. So I can think of no better award than one from the students. I would like to thank my support system at home, my husband Andy, my mom, my dad, my sisters, my brother, and my St. Vincent family Mike Rhodes, Jim Kellum, Brother Albert Garr, Jason King, Matt Fisher, Pete Hutchinson, Steve Gravel. I especially want to thank Jim Barnett, and I know he's not here today, but he's really been my St. Vincent mentor, and when people ask me who I want to be when I grow up, I want to be Jim Barnett, because I think he is such a great instructor and mentor. For the last 11 years, I've taught a variety of classes here at Saint Vincent College, some for biology majors, like general biology, micro, med micro, some for non-majors, like bacteria, friends or foe, and killer germs. The most important thing I have learned is that you have to love what you do. If not, how can you stay awake, much less get 40 students at 8:30 in the morning excited about antibiotic-resistant bacteria, or the most awesome microbes in black smokers? It's not that hard. Bacteria are really cool. And they're always winning. This award proves that I have impacted my students' lives as much as they have impacted mine. I'm usually not emotional. Outside of the classroom, I've had 55 students pass through my lab, the Koehl staff. That's STAPH, as in Staphylococcus aureus. 7 of these students have gone on for their PhDs at West Virginia, Penn State, Duke, Temple, Virginia Tech, Tufts, and Drexel. 6 went on in microbiology, which I like to think I had an impact, along with multiple students going to medical school, dentistry, PA, PT, optometry, podiatry, etc. Each of the 55 students have had an impact on my life. For example, Daisy Bridge, class of 2005, taught me teaching is more than in the classroom. I'm almost done, I promise. Kristen Jersick Smith, class of 2009, who taught me that it is definitely worth going the extra mile or 2 for the students. And Chris Hess, class of 2010, who showed me that it is very important to give explicit instructions to undergraduate students in the laboratory. Make sure you don't lose your decimal points, students, and countless other students. So students that are here today, I challenge you, make sure you do something you love and enjoy the people you come in contact with and the lessons they teach you. Thank you.